Hey, so if you want to manage your money better and keep track of your spending, yeah, creating a budget spreadsheet in Google Sheets is one of the best ways to stay organized. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a budget spreadsheet in Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, open Google Sheets on your browser or mobile app and create a blank spreadsheet. Give your spreadsheet a clear name like Monthly Budget Planner. Now create categories like income, rent, utilities, food, transport, entertainment, and savings. Create columns for planned budget, actual spending, and remaining balance. Add your salary or other monthly income sources at the top of the sheet. Now enter estimated spending amounts for each category. Use formulas like sum to automatically calculate total expenses and remaining money. Use colors, borders, and bold text to make your budget easier to read. You can insert charts or graphs to visualize where your money goes each month. Keep updating your actual expenses regularly so your budget stays accurate. And yeah, that's it. That's how you create a budget spreadsheet in Google Sheets and improve your financial planning in 2026.